Sony and Honda plan to make electric vehicles together. Well, I remember the Sony car from CES.
Yeah.
And I was curious about it, obviously. Big Sony. Had a lot of Sony products over the years. And
I like Sony.
I've always been intrigued by Sony, specifically. With the Walkman and such, dating back.
Very Tesla-esque.
The design of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a little Tesla. It's a little Taycan. It's a little Lucid.
Mm-hmm.
It's
It's taken a little bit from everywhere.
It's an electric car.
Yeah.
End of the day. I remember seeing a video of this thing driving around. I believe it was in Japan. You would have to assume there'd be a big entertainment focus in a Sony vehicle. That's a picture of the concept here. Vision S02 concept. This is an electric crossover version of it. Now, if you're Sony and you've never made a vehicle before, it's going to make a lot of sense to team up with somebody who has.
Yeah.
You control the software entertainment side of it, multimedia side of it.
In fact, I read somewhere that they already do that a lot. They provide a lot of
for sure.
Interface software.
Yeah. No doubt. Sony and Honda are planning to form a new company to design and sell electric vehicles together. The venture hasn't been finalized just yet, but the two companies have signed a memorandum of understanding that states their intent. The as-yet unnamed new company is expected to be formed this year, with sales of the first EV model planned for 2025. Honda will manufacture the first model, with the new company handling the vehicle's design, development, and sales, and Sony is set to develop a mobility service platform. Mobility service? Services on the go. Yeah, why'd you highlight Sony and Honda?
Every time I think of like two companies like kind of joining forces, I always try to find like a matching word for those companies.
Sonda.
Oh,
or,
you mean how
or
people
Hondi.
do with the celebrities?
Yeah.
Or
Like
just
Kimye.
honey. You could do honey,
Yeah.
I guess.
I always find it
Hondi.
funny.
I
As
like how you're
a
continuing
exercise.
with this.
Shonda. Sony's purpose is to fill the world with emotion through the power of creativity and technology. Through this alliance with Honda, which has accumulated extensive global experience and achievements in the automobile industry over many years and continues to make revolutionary advancements in this field, we intend to build our new vision to make the mobility space an emotional one and contribute to the evolution of mobility centered around safety, entertainment, and adaptability. Well, eventually, when all these things are driving themselves, entertainment becomes the key factor. And Sony has quite an interest in entertainment with its
PS5.
PlayStation.
gaming stuff. Yeah.
Imagine a PlayStation in your EV.
Yeah, of course. So they got and like not an actual unit. It's just built in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can obviously imagine. So I don't mind the white one on the right over there. It's not bad.
Will, what do you think about the tires on the bigger one?
You mean the wheels?
Yeah.
I think it
wheels.
fits. It fits this
it fits the vibe.
style.
Did you want to give us an update? You have any updates, Will? Since
Franca?
Mo's asking you, yeah, go give us what's your update?
Just watching more videos. More specifically, the antenna.
You're
to
still
change
on
the
the antenna? No.
Yeah.
Still on the antenna?
Yeah.
How much time can you spend on the antenna?
Well, there's different levels, like of height.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and
like
there's
the
some weird ones.
little
There's like
stubby ones.
the stubby ones, but
Yeah.
like it's a bullet. It's
Yeah.
like
Yeah. You like
I'm-
that?
No.
Oh,
I think
what's the right
I
height?
wouldn't want one.
Yeah.
Like just like a little nub and then
Oh, just delete.
just close it off.
Delete the antenna.
Yeah.
That's interesting because what if you need,
Yeah.
because
What
you
if?
got this like rugged utility vehicle. I guess you can keep the antenna just like in the
Sure.
car in a compartment somewhere
Mm-hmm.
for if all other communications are down and we have to revert to radio.
Yeah.
You're ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.